This video is how to calculate percent yield. These are very simple little problems. Your formula is right here. It's just dividing two numbers and then you multiply by 100 to make it a percentage. So your formula, the percent yield, equals actual yield over theoretical yield times 100. So this is going to be kind of a scenario like this question, which I'll read through, where you're in the lab, you're trying to produce a certain amount of something. You're going to have a theoretical yield, which is the maximum amount that you should be able to produce. Then you'll have an actual yield, which is how much that you actually made in real life. And then you'll just figure out which is which, divide them, and then multiply by 100. So here's our question. It says you are trying to produce calcium bromide CaBr2 in the lab. Based on the starting amounts, your group should be able to produce 65 grams. That is how much you should be able to produce, theoretically, right? You're either doing how much did you actually produce or how much you theoretically produced. If you should be able to produce that much, that's your theoretical. So I'm gonna put 65 right here on the bottom. However, your lab partner dropped some product, so your final product mass was only 54 grams. That is how much you actually produced. So I'm gonna put 54 on the top. What is your percent yield? So you just do actual divided by theoretical times 100. So I'm gonna do 54 divided by 65. That gives me a decimal, and then I just do times 100, which makes it a percentage. So get the glare. That's like 83.07. I just rounded off to like 83.1, and then you just put a percent on it. So that's your final answer.